Hello, everyone. It's Alexandra with WTI, and one of the first science fiction books that I read was Divergent by Veronica Roth. And when I read it, I was completely shocked in a really good way. I had never read something similar to it, which is the reason why Divergent occupies a special place in my heart because it was one of the first stories that really impacted me. And basically, Divergent is the first book out of four. It tells the story of Beatrice, who is a 16-year-old who has to make a very important decision. Society in this story is divided in five factions, and these factions are Dauntless, which are the brave, Candor, which are the honest, Abnegation, which are the selfless, Amity, which are the peaceful, and the Erudite, which are the intelligent. So basically, every 16-year-old at one point has to decide to which faction they want to belong to. And sometimes that represents leaving their families forever and starting an entirely new life. And basically, we see Beatrice's own journey making this decision and therefore facing the consequences of the decision she has taken. And this is the first book out of four books, and it is an amazing start to a really good series. And that is my point of view.